Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing robloxfestival.com. So if you don't know what this is basically a site where you just enter in your account and then they promise you free Robux for a small task. So this one is too good to be true, and it actually targets younger audience, for example kids who don't know any better, to log in their account and basically get information from them. And as you can see from scamadvisor.com, they're actually rated 1 out of 100, so there's only one positive highlight right here, so there's only one valid SSL certificate, and the negatives are a lot. So the identity of the owner is hidden, the tracker rank is rather low, so the site is several low reviewed than other websites. The registrar of this website is popular among scammers. Negative reviews were detected for this website. The age of the site is very young, and spam has been associated with this site by IQ Abuse Scan, and the website was reported in the last 30 days as a threat by DNS Filter. So as you can see, please do not enter in your username or a password here on robloxfestival.com, since it is a scam and you do not get any free Robux. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.